Food prices are still climbing in 2026, and if you've already got your rice and beans sorted, what's next? You need to prevent appetite fatigue and secure shelf-stable fats. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, and this is 5 unique, high-value survival foods you need to stockpile before the shelves empty out. Number 1. Instant mashed potatoes. Pure potato flakes. They require almost zero fuel to make. Just add hot water. You get massive, heavy carbs and instant comfort food. Number 2. Ghee, also known as clarified butter. Fat is essential survival fuel. Ghee gives you massive, nutrient-dense calories, and unlike regular butter, it's completely shelf-stable for years. Number 3. Bouillon cubes. Appetite fatigue is a real threat. For literal pennies, bouillon turns plain water and rice into a savory, hydrating meal that replenishes vital sodium. Number 4. Powdered milk. It's not just for drinking. It provides essential calcium and protein, and it's a mandatory ingredient for almost any off-grid baking you plan to do. Number 5. Instant coffee. Do not underestimate morale. Caffeine prevents withdrawal headaches, keeps you alert, and will be one of the absolute highest value barter items in a grid-down scenario. Expand your stash and beat the 2026 inflation. Start grabbing these items today. Hit subscribe for more no-nonsense prepping, and I'll see you next time.